Hi, today we're going to be constructing the square root of a number in PowerPoint. First, of course, we start with a unit square length, and what we're going to do is we're going to let's try to construct the square root of 2. To do this, we'll make a circle of diameter 2 plus 1, so 3. And what I'm going to claim is that this length over here is equal to the square root of 2. Let's try this practically. We can see this over here. So basically we'll make 3 of these like so. In fact, I'll make more than 3 just in case. Then we'll draw a circle of diameter 3 like so. Make this touch this. Make this just in case. And we do this. And we need to measure length. Alright, so we have this now done. We can measure this length, of course, like so. And just to make sure, yep, that is all good. I'll take this out. And of course, we also have to divide by the reference unit length over here. This is a unit length. So we can see that this unit length is equal to 2.57 and this is equal to 3.63. So if we do 3.63 divided by 2.57, we get 1.41 something something. This is not really accurate, of course, with the square root of 2, but as you can see, the first few is pretty accurate. After this, it gets a little weird because PowerPoint, of course, rounds off the numbers over here, but geometrically speaking, this is indeed the square root of the number. You can prove this, in fact. I'll show you the proof. So basically, if we have a circle over here with a diameter of x plus 1, so this is 1, this is x, then we need to find, I'm claiming that this length y is equal to the square root of x. So what we're going to do here is we're going to use the fact that this is a right angle, but also use the property of circle that if we draw something like this is going to be at a right angle. So if we draw this, then this is going to be at a right angle, of course, but also this is going to be at a right angle. And then we can apply the Pythagorean theorem over here. So we get this is square root of x squared plus y squared, and this again we apply it over here to get square root of 1 squared plus y squared. But then we again apply the Pythagorean theorem over here in this giant triangle over here to get this, simplifying this a little bit, and we can see that after these cancel out, we are left with this. The 2's cancel out as well, and we have that y squared is equal to x, or y is equal to the square root of x. So there we go.